turn your engine off. Pull up the handbrake. Pull on the bonnet release lever and open the bonnet. This will allow you to see the battery, which is located to the right of the engine compartment. Simultaneously, put pressure on the two tabs which attach the cover of the battery frame to take it off. Using a socket wrench, a long extender and a 13mm socket, unscrew the fastening plate of the battery. And remove it. Never start by disconnecting the positive terminal with all the cars still connected to the minus terminal. This risks creating dangerous sparks in the electric network of your car. Using a small socket wrench and a 10mm socket, start by removing the negative terminal from the battery. Once removed, ensure you distance the cable to avoid untimely reconnections which could damage the electrical network of the vehicle. Still, with a small socket wrench and a 10mm socket, unscrew the holding board for the cables on the positive terminal. Then, pull them out. Finish by unscrewing the positive terminal once again with a socket wrench. Then take it out. You can now remove the battery. Sand the inside of the terminals with sandpaper to remove the layer of white oxidation and to avoid breakdowns in the long term. On the new battery, remove the protective covers. Coat the terminals with copper grease to improve the contact between the terminals and connectors, but also to limit oxidation development. Put the new battery in place and push it firmly into its frame. Start by screwing the positive terminal back in with a small socket wrench and a 10mm socket. Put the cables back in place and screw the holding board in. Finish by screwing the negative terminal back in place. Putting the battery in place can be a little tricky, so you need to stay focused. Rest assured, we have just the tip to make it that little bit easier. Take a piece of paper towel and fold it in fours. Lay it flat on the socket, then insert the head of the nut, forcing it into the socket. Magic! It holds all by itself. By only using the extension, you will be able to screw the fastening plate back in place. Delicately push it back in by lightly pressing on the battery to correctly position it. As usual, start by hand, and for the final turns to tighten the screws, insert a wrench into the extension block it and remove the paper towel. Put the cover of the battery support back on by tilting it so that the spurs slip in. Then fully clip the cover by lowering it. Operation completed.